Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unable to download images from ChatGPT library on browser. So if you're trying to download an image from ChatGPT library but nothing happens, there can be several reasons behind it. In many cases, the issue may be caused by a temporary browser glitch, an internet connection problem, or a temporary issue with ChatGPT website itself. If you are experiencing the same problem, here's a few things you need to try. First, refresh ChatGPT official website page and try downloading the image again. If that doesn't help, sign out your ChatGPT account and sign in back again. You can also try opening ChatGPT in different browser and see if the issue is browser specific. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version and that download aren't being blocked by browser settings or any extension you have downloaded previously. If the image still don't download, wait for a few minutes and try again later, as the issue may be related to temporary server problem. After applying these fixes, you should be able to download ChatGPT from your library normally. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.